Warning! Your Toyota Tundra could be getting damaged every time you hit the mud. Choosing the wrong mud flaps can ruin your truck's paint, tires, and even resale value. We're diving into the best mud flaps for Toyota Tundra that actually protect your ride without wasting money. Curious which ones top the list? Let's start. Number 5. Peleus upgraded truck mud flaps for Toyota Tundra deliver exceptional protection and style for your 2022 to 2026 Tundra. Crafted from durable PP plus TPE, these mudguards offer superior flexibility and impact resistance while seamlessly fitting original hole placements. No drilling required. The aerodynamic design reduces turbulence and improves airflow, providing all-around coverage against snow, debris, and salt. Installation is effortless, and the set of 4 ensures full front and rear protection. A must-have upgrade for Tundra owners. Number 4. BDFHYK mud flaps for Toyota Tundra deliver unmatched protection for your 2007 to 2021 Tundra without fender flares. Crafted from premium PP plus TPO materials, these splash guards withstand rain, snow, and harsh temperatures while shielding your truck from mud, rocks, and road debris. Designed for effortless screw-in installation with included hardware, they perfectly fit your vehicle's original mounting points. Enjoy reduced cleaning, preserved paint, and a durable, reliable upgrade backed by a 12-month guarantee. Number 3. Sunsdrew Mud Flaps for the 2022 to 2026 Toyota Tundra deliver a perfect, vehicle-specific fit. Cover them front and rear with no-drill installation for effortless setup. Made from durable ABS, they provide all-weather protection against mud, snow, and rain, keeping your Tundra pristine. Designed for safety, they reduce dirt buildup on windows and lights, enhancing visibility. With long-lasting durability, stylish integration, and practical performance, these mudguards are an essential upgrade for every Tundra owner. Number 2. A premium mud flaps for Toyota Tundra deliver exceptional protection and fit seamlessly on 2022 to 2025 Tundra models. Crafted from durable PP and TPE materials, these splash guards shield your truck from snow, rocks, salt, and debris. The set of 4 installs easily, no drilling required, with pre-drilled holes and included hardware. OE molded for a perfect fit, they resist deformation and corrosion, with a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee. These mud flaps combine durability, convenience, and reliable Tundra protection. Number 1. WeatherTech custom no-drill splash guard mud flaps for Toyota Tundra deliver unmatched protection and precision. Crafted from durable thermoplastic resin, this front and rear set fits select 2022 to 2026 Toyota Tundra and Tundra Hybrid models perfectly. Engineered in the USA with laser-measured accuracy, installation is quick, screw-in style, no drilling required. These mud flaps shield your vehicle from mud, rocks, and debris while preserving your paint. Benefits include effortless mounting, robust durability, and a sleek, factory-perfect look.